Hello everyone. We are on the scene of a serious accident that occurred on Sunday morning, July 30th, 2023, in El Paso, Texas. A collision between a Ford Raptor and a fuel tanker truck caused a horrific tragedy at the intersection of Gateway Boulevard North and Kenworthy Street. According to information we have just received, the accident occurred at 5:11 a.m. at a high rate of speed, leaving both victims trapped under the tractor-trailer. Immediately after the collision, fuel leaked from the tanker truck along Kenworthy Street. Prompting an emergency response from the El Paso Fire Department's Hazardous Materials Response team. Fire and rescue crews responded to the scene and worked for nearly 3 hours to rescue the passengers trapped in the vehicle. Unfortunately, the driver did not survive and the other passenger is in critical condition and was rushed to the hospital. The intersection of Gateway Boulevard and Kenworthy remains blocked as authorities continue to investigate the cause of the crash. The El Paso Police Department's Hazardous Materials Response team and SDI have also responded to ensure the safety of the surrounding area. We will continue to monitor and update with further details as the investigation progresses. Our deepest condolences to the families of the victims during this difficult time. To our responders, police, fire, and ambulance, we salute you all. To have the guts, determination, and bravery to do what you do on a regular basis, we thank you. What an amazing rescue, truly awesome group of people to get someone out of that wreck alive. God bless you all, XX. As a passenger, you're at the mercy of the driver. They hold your life. Well done by tanker manufacturer to withstand that and not blow up. It boggles my mind that anybody in that Raptor survived. Better to be late getting where you're going than to not be able to ever get there. May God take care of all who were involved in this tragic event, including the victims, paramedics, cleanup crews. People need to take driving seriously. It's a privilege, not a right. I'm amazed the tanker didn't rupture at that speed. I would have expected it to be torn open and explode into flames. I was surprised to see a live person come out of that. I hope she makes a full recovery. So much ego underneath that right foot. It cost cost the driver his life. He almost took other lives with him. R.I.P. They'll blame it on the tanker driver regardless of what happened. I feel sorry for the tanker driver. He has to live with this for the rest of his life.